E-girls are known for their cool style, with winged eyeliner being a key part of their aesthetic. To achieve this look, use black liquid liner for precision, gel liner for added control, or if you're going for a softer effect, opt for a pencil liner. Use a guide to mark down your desired angle on both sides before you draw the rest of the wing, so the look will come out even. Start by drawing the bottom line of the wing at a shallow angle from the outer corner of your eye. Experiment with different lengths for your wing based on how dramatic you want the final look to be, and fill in the outline carefully. Clean up any mistakes with a makeup wipe and intensify the look by drawing on bottom lashes and lining the waterline with white pencil liner. Consider blending black eyeshadow into your drawn bottom lashes to smooth things out and hide any mistakes. Finish by applying mascara and false lashes, and adding unique graphics with your eyeliner to show off your personality.